Tax returns and tax refunds. A common question I get from my clients, especially during tax season, is what happens to my tax refund? That's a very important question, and sometimes I feel, especially because sometimes I get clients who meet with me after they've talked with another attorney and they never address that question. So definitely when you meet with me for the first time, or any bankruptcy attorney, you want to ask about your tax returns and your potential tax refund. You want to ask about this all year long. It's not just specific to tax season. Definitely there's different, I don't want to say different rules, but there's different timing issues depending on whether it is tax season or if it's later in the year. But those are things when you meet with a bankruptcy attorney, when you meet with me for the very first time, you want to talk about your tax situation, or specifically your tax refund. Many clients, I have clients that owe money, and I have clients that get back $10,000 or $12,000 in refunds. Those are on the high end, but depending on your situation, there's different results that would happen in a bankruptcy. And then it also depends on whether you're doing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. One important thing is during the tax season, you really need to think about this. Is one of the first things a lot of people think is, hey, I'm going to file, I expect to get a $5,000 refund. I'm going to hold off filing my tax return until after my bankruptcy is over with. Unfortunately, that's not going to work. When you file a bankruptcy, even if it's October, November, or December of the prior year, and you don't file your tax returns until March or April, during that entire time, so that's like a good 6-month time period, the bankruptcy trustee is looking at, you're going to potentially receive you're going to file your taxes, and there's going to be some upcoming refund that you may get. And they will question you or sometimes wait until you file that tax return to find out what that refund is. So generally, I'm going to tell you, you're going to want to file your tax return. Find out what kind of a refund you're going to get so that we can actually plan for it. Because there's things that we can do to help you protect certain portions of your tax refund. So that's why the biggest thing with this video is just to kind of get across to you that this is an important aspect of your case. A tax refund is considered an account receivable, an asset. It is money due to you from the IRS or the state of Illinois or the state of Missouri. So it is money that you're going to receive that potentially could be some, in a bankruptcy, they could take to pay a portion of this money to your creditors. So definitely whenever you meet with me for the first time, we should talk about your tax refund no matter what time of the year it is. Because everybody's different. Some people file their tax return late, so they might be getting their refund in June or July. Just depends on your situation. So definitely next time we talk, let's talk about your tax refund, and we can plan this out and try to protect all, or if not most, of your tax refund.